Eva Herry from the Aruba Animal Shelter, working 27 years as a volunteer.
And I am Sandy Willemsen, also volunteer at the Animal Shelter over 22 years. Last year was the first time that we participate for the long table Aruba, and we got second place. We gained $10,000 that we are very, very, very happy about.
The guarantee, we changed the roof. It was really dark and it was rusted already with a sinker, and we changed it to plastic that more sunlight is coming in. We had to work on the doors from the different cages, so now we changed it for chicken wire, and we closed the whole area with chicken wire so that no birds and no boars are coming in. Also the faucet had to be changed, and these are all what cost a lot of money, so we're really thankful for what we could do with the money from you.
Thank you so much.